It's a big, the bigger stone that the do-it-yourself video, this right here caught. There's all kinds of different kinds of colors, chert. Prehistoric chert gravel, you never know what you're gonna get. Like, so many different colors, different kinds, just so much. Chert gravel is a big piece there. Just, some of it could be tumbled really, like, super nice. All the way down to solid black pieces. Yeah, I just wanted to show a video of the gravel that we got out of. Weird line going on there. That one. Let me let you look for a minute. Even found some limonite in there. You just never know what you're gonna get. In chert gravel. Especially, you know, this old. Could be anything. Any kind of fossils. Excuse me. Hey, look, I think we got a shell. Oh, we did. See it? And that rock right there. Keep that out. All different designs on there. It's all kinds of different. I'll go through every single stone looking for fossils, little chunks of crystal. I found those in here too. We'll go through everything. I won't let you miss anything. It'll be the first two. Hey, it's a natural formation, I know, but that's cool. It's a triangle. I'm sure it's natural, but it's cool. I mean, it is the shape of a triangle, but it's cool looking, huh? I may keep that with my triangle stones just to keep it. Pretty cool. But if you think this is awesome, which I really enjoy doing this, wait till I get the magnet out. You'll be rather surprised at how many. Oh, look at the lines in that. Can you see the lines in that? That's pretty cool right there. Oh, you can see it go right there. See the lines? It's pretty neat. I'm going to keep that out. Alright, I was just sharing what we found in the DIY video of the larger chert stone. There is a big one. Hold on just a second. If you go back and watch the video, there's a DIY video. It's only 3 minutes long. You'll see a big dirt clog in there. I found this was that big dirt clog. But check this out. This could be a creature. It's probably not. But it's round. That may just be chert broke up. I don't think it don't look like a shell. But yeah, this is that dirt clog. Turned out to be a nice chunk of chert. But Have a great day. On to the next bucket.